In this video, we want to draw the rest of the doors on the interior walls. Okay, you can see we have a couple different doors here throughout the house. Let's turn on our X-ray mode so we can see the doors better. Go over here on the right, go down to Styles, click on Default Styles, and turn on X-ray mode. Give it a second for it to update, and that kind of helps. We have our front door and our garage doors. We need to do the interior doors. So if you have a interior walls as a group, you might need to double click on them to activate the group. Mine are not on a group. So we can see this door from this corner is over 7 feet 2 inches. So I'm going to grab the line tool, click on the corner, come over 7 feet 2 inches and enter. And then I'm going to grab the rectangle tool. I'm going to click on the endpoint that was made, and I'm going to go up towards that 7-foot reference line we have made a while back. And you can see on my dimensions in the bottom right corner it says it wants the far distance first, so the 7 foot. So 7 foot, and this is a 6 foot wide door, so 3 feet on each side. So comma 3 feet, so 7 feet comma 3 feet, and enter. And then I get my door selected. I'm just going to draw another rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle. And this way, go up, over again, 7 feet, comma 3 feet. Enter. All right, I'm going to grab the eraser tool, E. Click and drag over that center line to delete out the center line. I'm going to click on my push-pull tool. I'm going to click on the surface here and then drag that back till it hits the back of the wall, and click again to cut out that. All right. In this wall here we have an opening, and here we have 2 openings that don't have doors. Let's do those. Let's grab the, let's see, we need to go over 4 feet 6 inches. So let's grab the line tool, click on this corner and come over 4 feet 6 inches, enter. That gives you an endpoint, which now we can grab the rectangle tool, and I'm going to click there to start. Drag it up and over. Make sure it's red. That means it's going straight up and down. And all right, it's going to be 7 feet tall, and the width is going to be, let's see here, somewhere around, I'm going to say 2 feet. So 7 foot, comma 2 feet. Okay, draw another rectangle on the other side. 7 foot 7 foot, comma 2 feet. Enter. Eraser tool, E. Delete out the center line. Click and drag over it. Push-pull tool. Click on the surface. Drag it through the wall. I'm having to kind of go up and click to remove it. All right, let's do this one here. Same thing. This one is, looks like 8 feet 4 inches over. It's a little hard to see. Line tool. Click on the corner. Come over 8 feet 4 inches. Enter. Rectangle tool is the R key. Click on the endpoint. Again, this one is probably going to be 7.2 again. So 7 foot, comma 2 feet. And do the same on the other side. 7 foot, comma 2 foot. You could also just select this, grab the move tool, and copy it over. E key for erase, click and drag over. P key for push and pull, click on your surface, drag it back. You have that opening, and this guy over here. I'm going to spin this around. You can see it's 10 feet and a half inches from like way over there. Spin it around from this side. Now it's upside down, so it's hard to see. But again, it was 10 feet, 1.5 inches. So line tool from the corner. 10 feet, 1/2 inch, enter. Okay, so there's our endpoint we just made. Rectangle tool, click on the endpoint, go up to our 7 foot, and I'm going to rotate this around so my snaps don't get in the way. And again, 2 feet, so 7 foot, comma, 2 foot. Do something different with this one. Let's grab the space bar. Let's click on this surface. Let's grab the move tool, M key. Let's click on the corner here. You can see I have that selected. Hit the control key and just make a copy of it. Again, you can do it either way. I'm going to grab my eraser tool and click over the center. Push pull tool. Click on it, push it back. Okay, we got a door right here. 1 foot 9 over. Line tool, that's the L key. Corner. 1 foot 9 inches. Enter. Rectangle key, R. Click on my endpoint. And we're going to make all the doors 7 foot tall. Oh, I don't have a reference here. Well, that's fine. And these doors are 3 feet, so we're going to go 7 foot, comma, 1.5 feet. Right, that's 1.5 feet. 0.5 of a feet is 1/2 foot. Enter. Do something on the other side. A lot of times interior doors are actually 6 feet, 8 inches, or 10 inches. It could be all sorts of things. So though a lot of the newer houses that have the 12-foot high ceilings do have 7 foot tall doors. 7 foot, comma, 1.5 foot. Enter. E for the eraser tool. Drag it out. P for push pull. Click on your surface. Drag it through the wall until it stops and click. All right, we got 2 doors over here. Looks like 6 feet 1 inch maybe. Let's try it. Line tool L. Click on the corner. Come over. Yep, 6'1". 6 foot 1 inch. Grab the rectangle tool R. Endpoint. Click. 7 foot. Oh, comma. 1.5 foot. I'm not sure what I was doing wrong there. Have to go back and watch the video. And 7 foot, comma, 1.5 foot. Enter. E for the eraser tool. Delete the center line. Push pull tool. Click. Go till you hit the back. Click. And another one here. I wonder if we could just copy and paste. We probably could, but let's draw it out. 4 feet, 10 inches. Enter. Rectangle tool. Endpoint. Go up. 7 foot, comma, 1.5 foot. Enter. Oh, this door might be thinner. Seven foot, comma, 1.5 foot. Looks a little too big, but let's just go with it. Why not? E for eraser, click and drag over the line, delete it. P for push pull, click on the surface, drag it back, and cut through. It's fine. All right, we got a little door in the closet here. We got a back side door. This closet door, we don't actually know where the center is. It's in the center of the wall though. So let's grab the tape measure tool and go from this corner to this corner, and it is 3 feet 8.5 inches. Well, then let's just do this, the midpoint of this line. So let's grab the rectangle tool and click right on the midpoint. That will give us the middle. We don't even have to do math. And go up, let's see. And it looks like they're actually going to want the width first. So 1.5 feet, comma 7 foot. It's a little backwards because of the way we're clicking. And click on the midpoint again, go up 7 feet, 1.5 foot, enter. I forgot to hit the comma. That's what I was doing wrong the last time. Click on it, go up 7 feet, comma 1.5 feet. Can't forget that comma. Yeah, this one's too big too. It's probably a 2.5 foot wall. But for ease of doing this, let's keep it easy. Eraser tool, click and drag over, P key, click on the surface, drag it through and click. Yeah, like nice wide doors, they're easier to get through. Alright, I think the only door left is that back. We don't have closet doors drawn, but that's fine. Let's rotate this around. Let's go to this side. 2 feet 3 inches over, line tool, click, 2 feet 3 inches over, enter. R for rectangle tool, click on our endpoint, going up 7 feet. Oh, that really looks like 7.5 feet. 7 feet, comma 1.5 feet, enter. See if this side matches now. 7 feet, comma 1.5 feet, enter. E for the eraser tool, click and drag over, delete. P for the push pull tool, click on the surface, drag it. Whoa. Figures our last one's going to be the one that gives us trouble. Or at least gives me trouble. Because this is an exterior wall. That's why. I'm going to undo that. We, being me, forgot to go into our exterior wall group mode. So I gotta grab my space bar, click on the walls. Remember this, the blue solid lines, because it's in a group. Double click on it to get your dashed lines. Now that I'm inside this wall group, start over again. Line tool, click on the corner, 2 feet 3 inches, enter. Rectangle tool, click on it, go up 7 feet, comma 1.5 feet, enter. Do the same on the other side. Click on the midpoint, rectangle tool, 7 feet, comma 1.5 feet, enter. E for the eraser tool, click and drag over, delete. P for the push tool. Now it pushes through. See how being inside the group makes all the difference. Alright, selection tool, double click outside. I'm going to turn my X-ray mode off, go back to your default styles and default styles. And I'm going to go to my top view. I'll just spin it around. Alright, door, 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 hallway, hallway, hallway. Great. So rotate this to a way that I can see. Let's go this way so I can see. Whoa. You see this door and this door. Okay, so I can see all these doors, and then we can save it as door openings, 06 door openings, or whatever you want to call it, and export it. Folder, export PNG, make sure it looks good. We can actually still rotate it in here if we wanted. I don't know if you knew that. Export as PNG, continue. Make sure you know where you save it to, and upload it to Canvas. All right, good job, congratulations. Another one next week.